The Rise of Paper Furniture. On June 29th, 2026, SBS shared a cool story. A young Korean man is changing how we decorate our homes. His name is Park Dae-hee. He is 32 years old. Park makes stylish furniture out of paper. Traditional furniture is heavy and expensive. It is hard to move. But Park's paper beds, sofas, and bookshelves are different. They are light. You can assemble them easily. You do not need any tools. They arrive at your door in flat boxes. When you move, you can recycle them. This eco-friendly paper furniture is very popular in Korea. It is perfect for single households. Many people love this new style. Park's green idea makes our homes simple and clean.